Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Anker p2i with the Soundcore Anker r50i and what are the main differences between these two. Now I couldn't find much information, there just isn't much information about both of these, so let's start with the things that I actually found out. So the r50i got better Bluetooth version. Now they got same drive unit, same drive size, same frequency response. The audio codec I couldn't get it for the p2i, but the random is like SBC and AAC. Then you can have battery capacity, also I couldn't get it for that. But the battery life is important here. So the battery life is better for the Anker p2i, but here you're gonna have the earphone just 10 hours comparing to 8 hours. And charging box is 20 hours and it's 28. So the charge is better for one charge, r50 is better for it. The single earphone weight is better for p2i, but not by much. Product content, similar thing. Special features, also it like really depends, because you can have a lot of also for the r50, but these are the things that I could get for the Anker p2i. And also the weatherproof factor is the same for both IPX5. The charging port is the same, USB-C. And yes, that's pretty much it. So just wanted to share this quick video regarding the specs that I found, and I hope it was at least a little bit of help when I provided you at least a little bit of value. So have a great day and goodbye.